Want to learn or want to improve your English language on the standard level, you have the need to do practice. You are listening Bhojpuri song, Hindi song, these all, try to stop it. So if you want to be extraordinary, extra important, and this habit really can boost your English language on next level. If you want, hello my dear student, this is Vivekyadavspeakingguru, your speaking guru. Today in this video I'm just going to share with you how can you improve English language by yourself. Means how can you learn English language by yourself. In this video I'm just going to discuss on this topic. So please watch the video till the end. This video really can be helpful for you. The first point you can see upside, there is written, set your goal. Really, if you're going to start your journey to learn English language, so this first point is very important, set your goal. Set your goal means you have the need to just set why do you want to learn English language? Why are you going to learn English language? And in English language, what do you want to improve first? You want to improve first your listening, or you want to improve first your speaking, or you want to improve first your reading, or you want to improve first your writing. So this point is very most important if you are going to start to learn English language. Second point is right now, work on your vocabulary and translation. Vocabulary is blood of English language and translation is the soul of English language. You can say. Means by my own experience I'm telling you, this is the not by the university, I'm a Cambridge University, okay, Oxford University. By my own self I'm telling to you, word meaning is the blood of English language and translation is the soul of English language. Means if you don't have word meaning, then never you can speak English language. So in your journey, first of all, you have the need to try to improve word meaning. Means daily you try to learn 5 or 10 new word meaning. Daily routine, which one is you are thinking, and these all word meaning is we are using daily very much. So first you have the need to just try to complete that, try to learn that. Second one, try to improve translation, basic translation. I'm not just telling to you if you're going to learn English language, try to improve English language. You have the need to just improve your grammar. I'm not just telling this, but I'm telling try to improve basic translation. Point is here coming, listen and read more English language. Yeah, this is the really important point here. Third point is listen more English language if you really want to improve English language. As you are listening Bhojpuri song, Hindi song, these all, try to stop it. Try to stop it and try to listen English song, English speeches, Hindi story, a movie in English language, and try to read more newspaper, English story. Okay, in the starting time you will be unable to understand, but slowly you can understand. This is the guarantee of mine. Next one is here, try to write English story. English story. Try to write English story. This habit is really very important, and this habit really can boost your English language on next level. If you want to learn or want to improve your English language on the standard level, you have the need to do practice. To try to write Hindi story in English language. And next point is coming here right now. Talk to yourself. Talk to yourself. This point is really very important, means talk to yourself. But today I will not explain this topic, talk to yourself. In the next video, I'm promising you, next video I will really explain deeply this point, how to talk to yourself by my own experience. So please, if you are liking my video, please like, and if you are the new on my channel, subscribe and share with your friends and support me. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.